Hi there, thank you for visiting our commercial refrigeration page. If you are located in Maple Ridge and you need any type of commercial refrigeration completing, repairing or installing, then you have come to the right page and you've come to the right company. So we are able to complete any type of commercial refrigeration, whether it be a walk-in freezer or fridge, or whether it be a rooftop air conditioner. We have a dedicated team that is trained to complete commercial refrigeration. The best thing to do is contact us and let us know obviously what you are looking to have done, whether it's a repair or an installation, and then we can run you over the next processes and provide you with a quote so you know exactly what you're paying before we even come out. The best thing to do is give us a call, shoot us an email, visit our contact us page and submit a request, or you can actually chat with us on our online chat feature that's on our website right now. We very much look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.